Hi friends, this video shows how to create dual apps and use. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video. Here you can see one Instagram app. I am going to clone this Instagram app and create one more Instagram app. Go to settings, tap on the settings app icon, go down, select apps, select dual apps, tap on Instagram, tap here and enable dual apps. Tap here, you can see created dual app. Go to home screen. Now we can see two Instagram apps. Let me open the first one. This is the default app which I installed from Play Store. Let me open the second Instagram app which I cloned. This is the cloned Instagram app. See, now I have opened two Instagram apps. We can use two Instagram accounts. So this way we can create dual apps. Next I will show you how we can uninstall this cloned Instagram app. Go to settings, tap on the settings app icon, go down, select apps, select dual apps, then select Instagram, tap here and disable dual apps. Tap here, tap on OK. See, dual app uninstalled. Let me check. Go to home screen. Now it shows only one Instagram app. So this way we can create dual apps and use. Please check it.